By buyers through Chrysler Capital. Not all buyers will qualify. See dealer for details. Take retail delivery by 7/1. Chrysler is a registered trademark of FCA US LLC.
Let's get loud, let's get crazy. It was Whitby. Are you ready?
Get ready for Artie's, a Radio Disney Music Celebration, live tonight on Disney Channel.
Hey guys, it's Sophia Carson. Are you guys ready to throw a party? And I'm hosting Artie's, a Radio Disney Music Celebration.
Anything can happen. Maybe there'll be fireworks or a sick dance battle between superheroes. Don't miss music's biggest event for families. Artie's, live tonight at 8/7 Central on Disney Channel.
Go to Disney.com/Artie's for more info.
This is a general audience program.
Everyone, Bonnie made a friend in class. I want you to meet Forky. Hi. He's a spook. Yes, I know. In 5 days, we have a situation.
Forky's gone.
From Disney and Pixar. We are looking for a lost
Boy, Sheriff Woody always coming to the rescue.
I was made to help a child. I don't remember it being this hard. Woody, somebody's whispering in your ear. Everything's gonna be okay. Toy Story 4. Everywhere Friday. Rated G. General audiences.
UTMB wondered, wouldn't it be easier to access all the care you need in the Bay Area if we brought it closer to you? UTMB Health now has the most comprehensive network of care in the region, including the largest number of primary care doctors and physicians in specialties you need most, like women's health, heart care, neurosciences, orthopedics, and many more. No matter where you enter the UTMB Health Network, our providers, clinics, and hospitals are seamlessly connected to one another, so physicians throughout the community can share knowledge, the most advanced treatment options, and leading-edge research to ensure you receive the very best care close to home. It's a level of innovative care not offered by anyone else in the region. Learn how we can work wonders for you and your family. To find a physician, visit utmbhealth.com/Bay Area.
Are you ready? Woodtrace Wilderness Kids Triathlon is back and registration is now open. Visit woodtracewildernessKidstry.com. Jeff and I will be there cheering you on, and all participants get a t-shirt, a goodie bag, plus a finisher medal.
Stick around for the post-race party. There will be awards for the top female and male finishers. Gonna be a good time. Lauren, do you think that they'll let me race?
Those kids will kick your butt.
Yeah, they will.
Sign up right now at woodtracewildernessKidstry.com for more info.
The wait is over. Heart together again. And Nancy Wilson side by side. Love Alive Tour with Joe Jett and the Blackhearts. And Elle King. August 22nd, the Cynthia Woods Mitchell Pavilion, presented by Huntsman. Tickets on sale now at livenation.com or charged by phone. Part of the Xfinity Concert Series.
Reintroducing the love of driving. The all-new BMW 3 Series is here, and it's loaded with best-in-segment technology. That means feature after feature of the latest BMW innovation. Available with gesture control, backup assistant, hands-free steering, twin-power turbo engine, intelligent personal assistant, frontal collision warning, redesigned interior, rear-view camera, best-in-class aero... Oh, right. And it performs like a BMW. But that's just the beginning. What you love about this vehicle can't be listed in features, can't be talked about on a radio commercial. It has to be felt on the road. Listen to that. Isn't it beautiful? Don't be driven by technology, drive it. BMW, the ultimate driving machine.
Join BMW's Drive for a Cause June 18th through 22nd to support a worthy charity and receive a $1,000 credit. Visit HoustonBMWDealers.com for more details.
What do you call a truly great beer that's brewed with more taste? Only 96 calories and 3.2 carbs? We call it Miller Lite. What are you holding? Miller Lite. Hold true. Great beer, great responsibility. 2018 Miller Brewing Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Average analysis, 12 fluid ounces, less than 1 gram protein and 0 grams fat.
At Aaron's, we believe good people are all around us. In fact, you hear it on the news all the time.
People formed a human chain to rescue a man during the storm.
That's why Aaron's approves good people other stores won't. Your credit isn't the best? That's fine. Need more time to pay? Let's work it out. Want hundreds of options from top brands? Just lease with Aaron's. We even deliver to you for free. Because good people always deserve better. Aaron's. Easy, beautiful, affordable.
The only way you can take Mix 96.5 with you is the radio.com app. Download it today and listen to us anytime, anywhere.
I'm going under in this time. I feel there's no one to save me. This all and nothing really got away, driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. I'm going under in this time. I feel there's no one to turn to. This all and nothing way of loving, gonna be sleeping without you. I need somebody to know, somebody to hear, somebody to have, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you help me escape. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. And I tend to close my eyes when it hurts. Sometimes I fall into your arms. I'll be safe with yourself till I come back around. For now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love, but now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. To let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone.
Get ready for Tuesday, because it's Tuesday. We buy you shoes all day long on Mix.
I remember when